Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to easily create a folder and subfolder in Google Drive. First, let's head over to Google Drive. If you're on a laptop, desktop, or Chromebook, go ahead and open the Google Chrome browser. Once it's open, just type in Google Drive, or you can access it in two ways. The first is by entering the URL directly. The second is by clicking on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and selecting the Drive icon from the menu. Now, once you're inside Google Drive, look over to the left side. You'll see a button called New. Click on the New button at the top left. Here, you'll get options to create or upload. Select Folder and name it something like Classroom. Inside this folder, you'll be able to add files and even more folders. Now let's create a subfolder. Open the folder you just created, in my case, Classroom. But let's say I want a subfolder named Lessons. So once again, click on the New button, select Folder, and give it a name. Let's call it Lessons. Since we're inside the Classroom folder, this new one automatically becomes a subfolder. And that's it. We've successfully created a subfolder called Lessons inside a folder named Classroom, all within my drive.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.